Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribe button is just down here. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. I would so appreciate that. Otherwise, let's get started. I go shopping in the mall and I love being a skincare enthusiast. I love browsing in the skincare department, makeup department, anything and everything that concerns us ladies. And so this one here, I got so on this. got so on this. I wasn't even really looking for an eye cream. I still got some eye cream at home, but anyway. So here is my new product. I've used this for a couple of weeks now. It's the Ceramide Retinol eye cream because I believe in applying topical ceramides to just keep our moisture barrier locked in, to continue to keep our skin looking elastic and firm. And one of the things you can do is to apply topical ceramide skincare products. So this one has got ceramides and retinol and is for your eyes. I'm just going to read the ingredients to you. It has retinol. It has niacinamide. It has your palmitoid tetrapeptide 7, palmitoid tripeptide 1. So these are your amino acids that helps to encourage your skin to produce more collagen. You got ceramide EOP, ceramide NP, ceramide EAP. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So it's in this. I am not a fan of this type of pumps, to be honest. I just find it very difficult to use because I think you press your finger down here. You press your finger down here and you try to control the pressure of your finger. So the product has come out a little bit. Can you see? I've got a bit too much here actually. So I've got a bit too much here. So this is what it looks like. It's a pinkish, very light, soft moisturizer, soft cream for your eyes. What I find really annoys me is that sometimes if I press it too much, like today, can you see? I end up taking a bit too much out, like what happened today. So I end up taking quite a bit too much out. When you're using it for your eyes, you don't need so much. And so I find it very hard to control this pump. So the price of this is $128 for 15 mils, which to me is quite pricey. So this is quite an expensive product. Yes, it contains some retinol, it contains some ceramide, but I find that this product actually causes a bit of redness on my eyes. Yep. Yeah. I find that it caused quite a bit of redness on my eyes and caused my eyes to be quite dry, and my eyes did feel quite uncomfortable. So I have to move it a bit further out, outer corner here, so that it doesn't, actually I avoid getting it too close to my eyes, which defeats the purpose because it's supposed to be eye cream. Yeah, so yeah, I find that my skin really doesn't sit very well with these products. For the price, $128, there are plenty of, for that price, there are plenty of equally good retinol or vitamin C or peptide eye creams out there, equally good from some of the other clinical skincare brands. Like one of my favorite eye creams is a retinol eye cream by Dr. Dennis Gross, around the same price as this one, but doesn't cause irritation in my eyes. With this one, the skin around my eyes got quite red. My eyes got really dry. I felt really uncomfortable. Whether I would purchase this product again, no. Whether I would recommend to you personally, don't know. I won't recommend this because, yeah, for that price, you can really search around and get one that really suits your eyes, doesn't cause the irritation. Yeah, for that price, if there's the kind of money that you're spending, there are plenty of really good eye creams out there, seriously. Yeah, this was a bit of an impulse purchase for me, which I will use it up because I don't want to waste it. So sorry, Elizabeth Arden. I do like your ceramide capsules, but this one I just felt a little bit pricey for what it is. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.